Hi everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to perform a search term report on your search campaign. So right now we have a YouTube awareness search campaign going on. So we're actually using keywords for this campaign. So we're going to do the search term report for this one. So we're just going to go into our keywords, and as you can see, we're getting some traffic for these keywords. So what you actually want to do is we're just gonna go into all campaigns, and if you go into keywords, if you're running a search campaign, just a search campaign, you can do this at campaign level, but we're gonna do it on all campaigns so you know where to go. So we hit all campaigns right here, and then we're gonna click on keywords, and then you see all of the keywords that are running on the account. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up here and we're gonna click search terms. So search terms are basically what people enter on the search bar when they're looking for information. So what the platform does is that it gets that search term, and if it's related to your campaign, it's gonna input it on the search term report, and then you can optimize your account based on what your target audience is looking for. So it also grabs the term that made your ad show up. So this is something good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through our search terms. I'm just gonna click right here so that goes away. So we have YouTube, Unspeakable, Ace Family, Mr. Beast, free Instagram followers. That's up now for our other campaigns that we have going on. Videos. So the campaign that we want to target right now is YouTube awareness search. So we're focusing on that one. So Unspeakable, we don't want that one. Ace Family, not that one. Mr. Beast, Google Gaga, Funnel Vision. So Daily Bumps, that YouTube family, no. Daily dose of interest. So what I'm doing is basically just selecting all of the keywords that will be marked as negative. So we don't want to show our ads for those kind of keywords. So we're just gonna add it as a negative keyword, and we're gonna do it at campaign level. So save. So you can do this as many times as you want. Every day you should get some new search terms based on clicks. If you see that you've gotten clicks on your campaign that day or that week, you can actually go into the search term report and see what you have pulling up there. So for the YouTube awareness search campaign, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add a filter so it's easier for me to look. So what I'm doing right now is telling the platform to only show me the ones that don't have not been added or excluded, just keywords or search terms that have nothing going on right now. We haven't taken any action on those, so we're just gonna apply. So you're gonna see that all of these excluded ones are gonna be removed, are gonna be hidden as soon as that works. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna look for keywords that we might want to add to our campaign as soon as my computer loads. So we're just gonna browse through while it does that. So we're gonna focus on YouTube awareness. So any kind of keywords that are related to advertising or running commercials, that will be good. So we're just scrolling through. So see, these ones will be negative. So okay, so you saw that. So now we have all of the non-keywords. So these are keywords that we have not taken any actions on. So there are a lot of negative terms that we can add here. Some Spanish terms as well. How to comment, how to delete, no. Okay, so since we have a bunch of search terms, what we can also do is we can filter them by search term. So commercial or advertising. Let's do advertising. So we're gonna apply. And while it loads, we'll see if anything comes up. This will help us at the long run because from what I gather is that we have a very lengthy search term report. Okay, so nothing's showing up, so that means that we have to fine tune our keywords a little bit more, make them much more specific so that we don't get any of these search terms, very general ones. So that's basically how you run a search term report. Every time you add or exclude, it's gonna be automatically done to your campaign. So if you guys have any questions about search term report, just comment below and let us know and we'll get back to you. Remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on Google AdWords. Thank you.